Something came in the mail today, and it wasn't these nuts. What is going on, everyone? I hope you're all doing well. My name's AJ. This channel is about financial coaching. And like I always say, financial freedom is easy with the right knowledge. Schools don't teach it, so I will. So today, we got a little envelope unboxing or unenveloping, if that's a word. So, as you probably know by the title, this should be a Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card. The thing is, I don't actually know if it's in here. I've been waiting. They said 3 to 5 business days. That time has passed, so I would assume that this is here. It's here a day late, but it's here nonetheless. At least I think it is. So I'm going to open this up, and if it's not it, then this will be a prank, and I'll come back another time, and I'll throw this in as a blooper. But I'm going to see what's in here, I guess. I got a little envelope shredder thingy. Listen to this sound. Oh, okay, that was horrible. Let me try this side. Okay. Oh, hey. It's a prank. Nah, I'm just kidding. We got, I don't want to show this, but you got right here. Oh, you can't see it. Oh no. Okay, well, you can see the word unlimited, at least it's in bold. And so we got it right here. At least I think. Let me find the card first. If the card's not in here, this is even a bigger prank than what I thought it was going to be. Aha! I found the card. Okay. Let me just pull it up. Well, there's the card with the sticker. Oh. Okay, I'm going to edit that. I just showed you the number. Let's see how long it takes to do the sticker. Or undo the sticker. This actually looks exactly like the debit card from Chase, which I don't use, but I do have one, even though I don't even have a Chase bank account anymore. Okay, sticker is off. So now we got here's the Chase card. I'll just cover my name and number, but it does have a name and number. Nice little logo, clean. It's a nice clean blue. It's plastic, like any other Chase or any other credit card, except some are metal. This is not metal. This is a no annual fee card. But on the back, it's just blue. It has Chase on the bottom, so you don't really need to see that. It does have that symbol that, let me show you again. The symbol right here, that right there. Whoa, okay, right here. That is a tap to pay symbol. So basically, you don't actually have to swipe the card or insert the chip, which I believe it has a chip. Yeah, it does. So you can just tap it. Not all merchants have that, but you can do that. Also, there's Chase Pay with that, and Google Pay, and Samsung Pay, and Apple Pay, and Pay. You just have to pay. Okay. So we got Guide to Benefits. Got a little booklet here. The card has, well, first of all, unlimited cashback, 1.5%, which it says on this thing. So we got, I'll just scroll through the pages so you can see. Okay, so there's the cover, and then we have some pictures. Okay, yeah, okay. You can't read it, but, you don't really need to read it. I'll read anything that's important. There is a Chase portal where you can shop through, so similar to like Rakuten Ebates, where you can go through the portal and get extra cash back. You can add authorized users, unlimited 1.5% cash back on any purchase. You can use your points for Amazon. We got travel, and then gift cards for redeeming. And then also this is, I hear these 3 benefits: zero liability protection, purchase protection, and extended warranty protection. Those are like standard card benefits, but not all of them have it, which is why I think this card is almost, where'd the card go? Okay, well, I just lost the card, but this card is really great because it's no annual fee and it gets you all those benefits right away. So if you just have this card, you can have all those benefits and be protected with your purchases, and actually, have extended warranty, have purchase protection, which you can, if you find a lower price of something, then you can actually get refunded the extra money you spent. Yeah, of course, fraud monitoring, auto rental collision damage waiver. So that is so you don't have to buy a collision part of your insurance on a rental car. So that's free. So it doesn't have free primary insurance on rental cars, but it does have that credit journey. Yeah, they track your credit, and that's cool. And then contact. Okay, so, and then this is how you, I got right here what you do to basically start it. You go to verify card online, chase.com/verify card, set up online profile, and then start earning your cash back is what it says. So, yeah. Oh yeah, it does have 0% APR for the first, let me see, 15 months it says, okay. So you can actually use this as a balance transfer to pay lower payments on your debt, actually, if you want to learn how to do that, or if you just want to learn some tips, you can ask me. I also do that in my financial coaching, which I'll just plug that right now. My website is in the description below. I do financial coaching and help people individually or families as well. I help them get to financial freedom. I don't know why this paper is like this, like what? Okay, I guess they didn't staple it well. Yeah, I don't really need to read this because I don't really get into trouble with the cards, because I just use it and then pay it off. That's how it goes. You know what I'm saying? Once again, freedom unlimited. Do 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 do. Okay, so you may be asking why? Why did I get this card? And why do I have multiple credit cards now? Because now I do have my second credit card, but I had to wait so long to get it because once you get your first one, if you start with no credit history whatsoever, then you kind of have to wait a year before you get approved for anything else. So I did, and I got approved. And the reason I got this card specifically is because right now it has a good sign-up bonus, and usually the sign-up bonus is somewhere from within 3 months spend $500 and get $150 back. But now it's at $200, so that's a $50 increase. So I went for that deal, and so I also go for sign-up bonuses. So I usually, at least for right now, I'm gonna be planning on going for cards with sign-up bonuses because those give outstanding value. And what I mean by that is they give more value than just cash back, because you can get like 2% cash back on something, but that's not a lot compared to getting, like $200 after spending $500, because that's a return of 40% instead of a return of like 1.5, which is what this card gives. Which actually, if you do transfer these points over to Chase Sapphire cards, so like those are the cards with annual fee Chase has. You can actually transfer those and get. Then you can redeem for travel and get more points out of it. Okay, and then so this is, I mean, honestly, this is one of the best cards just to start out with, because you do get 1.5% on everything, and that's pretty good. um, and then also you have those protections that I mentioned before. Um, it's no annual fee, so it's great for people who don't travel, because the travel cards, you would pay an annual fee, but in return you would get a bunch of free stuff like hotels and plane tickets. But I don't plan on doing that right now, so that's why this card right here is good for me. Use the card, pay it off once I use it, and then get that $200 bonus after spending $500. And that's going to be that. I'll move on to the next card, because I only have 2 cards right now. I need to build out my base because I am young, and I need to start now and build out a base, and so that base grows with me as I age. And then that's how your credit score just goes like this to like that, and it blossoms. All right. So I guess that's it. I will put the referral link in the description as the first link in that description on the top. So you can sign up for this card if you're in a position to do so. If you're not, you can ask me and I can give you a guide as to when you would actually apply for this card. Referral in the description. That's a referral, so I get paid as well if you do sign up through my link, so it helps out the channel. Also comment below what you think of this card, and if you want me to do a video on like a review on this card after I use it for a little while and see how it is. Also my other card, which is Discover, it's Chrome. Would you want to see me do a review on that as well? Yeah, with that being said, subscribe. I mean, you made it this far, you might as well subscribe, you know what I'm saying? You can also hit the notification bell next to the subscribe if you want to be notified when I upload a video. And, a like button would be appreciated. With that being said, bye.